Srinivas, a bright 21-year-old, had just graduated and was eager to start his career. He spent weeks preparing his resume and applying to countless jobs, but his inbox remained empty. No interview calls, no responses. Frustration crept in as he watched his friends land jobs while he struggled to even get noticed. One evening, Srinivas met his friend Ramesh, who had recently secured his dream job at a top company with an impressive salary. Over coffee, Ramesh noticed Srinivas's disappointment and asked, "What's wrong?" Srinivas sighed. "I've applied everywhere, but no one's calling me for an interview. I don't know what I'm doing wrong." Ramesh smiled and said, "I was in the same position a few months ago, but then I approached a career growth mentor, and it changed everything." Intrigued, Srinivas leaned in. "A mentor?" he asked. "Yes," Ramesh replied. "They guided me step by step, from crafting a standout resume to preparing for interviews. They even helped me identify the right companies to apply to. It's not just about applying, it's about applying smartly." The next day, Srinivas reached out to the mentor Ramesh recommended. The mentor reviewed his resume and pointed out gaps. His resume was too generic, lacked keywords, and didn't highlight his strengths. Together, they redesigned it, tailoring it to specific job roles. The mentor also taught Srinivas how to write compelling cover letters and network effectively on professional platforms like LinkedIn. Within weeks, Srinivas started receiving interview calls. He practiced mock interviews with the mentor, who gave him feedback on his body language, communication, and answers to tough questions. Slowly, Srinivas's confidence grew. One day, he received an email from his dream company, an interview invitation. He aced it, and a week later, he got the job offer. Overwhelmed with joy, Srinivas thanked Ramesh and the mentor. He realized that success wasn't just about hard work. It was about seeking the right guidance and following a structured approach. From that day on, Srinivas vowed to help others just as he had been helped, passing on the wisdom of smart preparation and perseverance.